We're buying a Lamborghini today?
Maybe. I think Dan's losing his mind.
Are we buying a Lamborghini today?
I don't think so.
Don't you want to ride in one?
What is up, YouTube? So we are back at Audi of Henderson and we are looking at the RSQ8. We are looking at trading in our Range Rover. So it's between this or a Mercedes GLE 53. I think we're gonna go with this one because it's pretty much like a baby Urus, whichever one it is. So we're gonna take this for a spin and see if we like it. If we do like it, the option that's coming in is actually white with like a cognac interior, which I prefer. This one has black. So let's take it for a spin and see what we think.
Claudia's asking about this. Let's see. Oh, man.
Initial thoughts, go.
I love the interior, but I've always liked Audi. I've always liked just the sleekness and, you know, the dual screen is cool. The old Audis obviously didn't have, they had the screen that popped out. Digital dash is great.
What do you think about this versus the cognac?
I love brown interior.
I know, I do too.
I mean, you know, I like different. And the interior is hot, but I think I would really miss not having the brown.
I agree.
But
take it for a spin. Okay, so what's the difference between this one and the cognac one coming in?
it doesn't have the extended leather, but brown instead of black. Otherwise, it's the same.
Ooh, keep picking up the camera. That's smooth.
It's a little laggy with the turbos kick in, and then it's like, whoa, that's a lot of weight moving very quickly.
But it's very smooth for as quick as it is. Because I feel like once like the hits, it's not very like smooth. That was very smooth.
Yeah, it's refined.
Refined. Yes, darling. I wouldn't say that's laggy. I think you're just used to driving Yaros' Lamborghini around.
Yeah, it's just screwed me.
I think I want to open up a whole separate YouTube channel of me just driving cars around. Me and nothing but hot chicks driving around in exotic cars.
Don't give anyone the idea.
Seriously, this is a great idea. Okay.
All right, it's not slow.
No.
It's definitely not slow.
It's not slow.
Let's switch it over to comfort.
Very smooth. I like it. If you guys know anything about me, I typically do not like Audis. Can't tell you why. I like the R8, but that's about all that I like. I feel like the rest of them look like mom cars. And then Dan was looking at the RS6, which to me looks like a hearse. You gotta admit, it looks a little hearsey.
A fast hearse.
A fast hearse. But this is cool.
So this is comfort. I mean, I know we're not quite at highway speed, but
comfort is important to people like us because we actually drive our cars, and we drive our cars to places like LA, where when you're in a car for 4 hours, I think it's important to be comfortable and not be bumpy. Like we've talked about taking the Jeep to LA.
terrible idea.
There's no way. I mean, it's so bumpy, it's so windy, it's not aerodynamic at all. So a car like this, comfort is key.
And you know, remember too, when you think about comfort, this has 23-inch wheels. 23, which is insane, but you know, to be, I think it's pretty comfortable for having 23-inch wheels. 23 Remember when like 20s were huge?
Yeah.
Now it's like if you have 20s, you're kind of, which is weird. This is the best. So this one has the carbon package, which is definitely cool, but I wouldn't say it's like dramatically cool.
Yeah.
Where it's worth the $5 or $6 grand.
Huh?
Hop in, let's check their legroom. So that seat's normal for me. How's your legroom? Oh, looks pretty good.
Yeah, could fit lots of chicks back here.
Oh, at least 2.5.
We're small, we could fit 3.
Yeah.
At least 4.
Oh, nice. Climate control. Good legroom. Surprised.
You don't see very often rear heated seats, so that's kind of cool.
Give it a little rev. So this is cool. Vent, vent, vent. But the designers wanted it to be like one long aesthetic flowing vent. So I think that's pretty sharp.
This is really cool. So basically, if you're ever worried about your park job, which if you know how Dan parks, he is.
What do you mean I'm a great parker?
I'm the great parker. You're an awful parker.
Well, look at this part. That's a great park you did.
Because I'm driving. So this is kind of cool.
That's a neat feature.
Yeah.
There we are. Cool.
We're still waiting on the GLE to come in. We're going to look at it. We do have a deposit down on it, so we want to compare the two cars. This one we have a deposit on also, the Cognac one, so we will see in like a month or two whenever it comes in, so stay tuned.
Should those be in an RSQ8 or a Mercedes? I don't know. So, where are we going?
To fulfill all my husband's desires.
To a
I have to beat that.
yeah.
We are driving to Salt Lake City, which is an unexpected turn of events because both vehicles that we were originally looking at were in Vegas. But Dan, go ahead, continue the story.
Yeah, so we ordered an RSQ8 and a GLE 53 that would have arrived in Vegas. What's up, Charles? But a little change of plan. We're driving to Salt Lake City, which is about 6 hours from Vegas, so we're road tripping. And you will see why soon. Dun dun dun. So Charles is whining, and we only have like 4.5 hours to go, so not sure what that means. So here it goes. Yep, there it is. What do you need? You gotta pee? Because as you can see, that's gonna be a little difficult. I think he's just talking to YouTube. Just say hi, guys. Hi. Hi. There you go. Pretty though, huh? Now, normally I drive, but it's a long drive, so we need to conserve energy. But I do believe chivalry is not dead and men should do driving. Would you not agree with that?
Sometimes.
I mean, but Claudia does enjoy to drive, but I do generally drive.
I didn't buy my car to not drive it.
Yeah, you bought it for me to drive it.
It's true. This is so pretty.
Super pretty. I've never been here. Almost to the Utah border. Going up to St. George, which is in Utah. If you didn't know that.
Why did these signs say watch for rocks? Like, what are you going to do if there's a boulder coming at you?
You're screwed.
Yes, okay, so tell me to watch for them.
Well, just watch them hit your car is what they want you to do. Arriving to Utah, and what do we see? Snow.
Gross.
I've never been to Utah until right now. I've been to Utah. So we are in Beaver, Utah.
Beaver, Utah. What are their accents here?
I don't know. I've never been to Utah.
I was gonna do a southern accent.
Charles is ready to hit up Beaver. Crazy Cow Cafe.
Should we go there? Cafe, gift shop.
Sit down place. Get gas first.
Alright.
Super pretty. Look at the mountains, huh?
My hair looks awful.
Mine too.
Where are we? I don't even know where we are.
Mills, Utah.
Mills, Utah.
Sign says no services, meaning they offer absolutely nothing to civilization.
Mills offers nothing at all.
They have a factory of some sort, but that's it.
That's it. That's all you guys are getting.
And they have some cows.
There are a lot of cows out here. That's literally all we're passing by is like cow farms. And Charles is tired. What can I update you guys with? Nothing. We still have about what? How many miles?
Probably 100. We're
100?
We're nearing the end.
I think there's more than 100.
No, about an hour and a half out.
Alright, so we'll update you guys. I think we're just gonna go straight to the dealership.
Here's the sign. Let's see. I said 100, am I right?
Let's see.
100 on the dot.
Ooh, he's good.
Man.
He's good. We're gonna go straight to the dealership and we'll show you guys the Camry Dan picked up.
I'm driving now. I'm the captain now. So we'll be here.
What do you think the car is gonna be?
What do I think? I'm pretty sure I know.
I'm asking them what they think.
I don't know.
I hope you know. Alright, check in soon. Besos.
Hello, AMG. Bye, Range Rover.
And I'm doing all the glamorous stuff.
Hi, Charles.
Charles,
Managed to take a dump at Range Rover, or at Mercedes.
Come on.
Thoughts after driving?
Busy being mom right now.
What's the review?
No, it's amazing. I think it's much cooler than the RSQA too.
I would agree. Charles, we're here to buy a car. Not drink water in front of the dealership.
Charles, you have
Only at what a life. Goes to Mercedes and gets a cookie.
Daddy just gets a bill. No? Spoiled.
Doesn't like it. It's too German.
It's not kosher. No, you like it? This is the last page if you want to date and sign.
I want an AMG. I won.
If it's not an AMG, you're
You
not
ain't
a
a
G.
G, baby.
Congrats!
This is pretty sweet, isn't it?
Charles, it's all done. Poor Charles, he's like, I just gotta poop.
Alright, bye-bye, Range Rover.
One last look at it. Make sure Dan's not crying.
I always hate leaving cars, but...
Bye!
Bye! So, she's dark.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna have to do much to this one.
No, tint. Black out the emblems.
Definitely need front tint.
Need front tint. The grill. Yeah, but it's
That's really it, right? I mean, it's so...
It's sexy.
Yeah.
Menacing looking.
Yeah. What's her name?
Ooh, I need to think of a good one. We'll come up with something.
I thought you were driving.
Well, I am. I didn't even know Mercedes had this feature.
And this road is so windy and turny. And
Here we are, just hanging out.
what did you do? Charles,
Our child is drunk.
you look homeless.